Erwin, this is Cindy, Create the Heart, and I'm back with a project share. So, let's see if I can adjust my camera a little bit here. I think I had done a haul and I shared a bunch of stuff. One of the things that I had hauled was the Button Club Farm kit. So the kit that they had, they have different ones, I think, every month. I particularly really just loved this one. And what it does is it uses a book box from Graphic 45, and so they used it made it into this sort of stand for 3 little books. So I'm going to take the little books out so I can show you the box, and then I can show you the little albums that fit in it. So the box stands up, and it has the little feet. These are Graphic 45 feet. This is the front of the box, and the inside of the box, and then you've got the back of the box. Everything to make this was pretty much in the kit. And then in the back, it's decorated here, and then the box. And then in the back of this, we have a little, because in the box, it comes with this little tag album. So they're just decorated using the papers, lots of scraps, so you can use a lot of scraps. I'll show you. I didn't have very much left at all. And then these little cut aparts are in here. And then this is using the Memory Place Alice in Wonderland paper. Super cute. And comes with, or you make 3 books, little books, using that entire kit. So there's this one right here. Now, I did not have enough champagne ribbon, which I'll show you what that ribbon is. I did not have enough, and I was very sparing with my ribbon. So I didn't have enough, so I did have to use some ribbon that I had in my stash. It also is supposed to come with a chipboard piece, which it was not in my kit. Not a big deal because I have a ton of chipboard. So I went ahead and just used my own chipboard and my own ribbon for that, but I don't worry too much about it. So these are little books, like 4x4. So here's the first one. It's decorated like this with the white rabbit, and then here you've got the white rabbit and this little, I think it's a teapot charm. So super cute. And then this one opens up, and it's like a fold out this way, and then a fold out this way, and then it just closes like this. So you can put pictures or memorabilia or whatever you want in this one. This is the only one that really, I think, is more intended for pictures. I think there's one other that's kind of could do pictures, and the one that's just what I would consider a lap book. So that was the first book. And then the second one, let's do this one, is this one right here. And that's what the spine looks like. And then this has that champagne ribbon that I did not have enough. And like I said, I was very sparing with the ribbon. So this one is more of a lap book. So here you've got a little place for a cut apart, and almost everything is just using that paper. There's a ton of like cut apart pieces in that paper, that Memory Place Alice in Wonderland paper. It's got these little envelopes, which I don't think I stuck anything in this envelope. Let's see if I have anything. So it's a little lap book. You can fill it with little treasures and goodies and things, and so someone can just kind of look through it and kind of play with it. So here's this one right here, and then this, that's there, and then we've got little tags right here. This one is the Eat Me tag. This one is Drink Me. The little tags that fit right in the side here. all the directions. There's printed directions, and then there is videos that you can watch that help. And the videos definitely are helpful, especially constructing everything. So in your kit, you get an ephemera pack and the memory place 12 by 12 paper pack. And that is really in a couple pieces of cardstock, and you can make all of these projects. So lots and lots of cut aparts in this one. So here is this. And this is just a cut apart as well. And then you just kind of layer it with various pieces. So, and then here's a little pull out. And we use a lot of the scrap, which I really, really liked. And then here is kind of like a little pop-up type page. And then a little card. Little envelopes and little pieces. And really excellent at using all the little scraps. These are just little ticket cut aparts. And then here, so you could put like little pictures if you wanted, but there's not tons of places for pictures in this particular album. So it's more what she called, the gal who did it, the videos and everything and designed it, more of a lap book, which is perfectly fine. I really loved the idea of the project, and I really liked using that book box. So here is the last book. So on this spine, it's got a, I don't know where she got these charms, but they're just perfect. A little mushroom and this little card, kind of like the Red Queen has her little army. So here's the front, and then inside are just these little boxes. They're like bigger than like a pocket, I guess. They're a little thicker, so you can put these little these little Matchbox books. So, and then in here, this one opens up, and it's just got like a little thing in here. I like it's in there. And then this one I closed up, and it's where I'm at here. And all of these come with that paper, so that paper is pretty fun. So they fit in there, and then these two in here. And there's these little tag cut aparts, and then this is like another cut apart as well. So I do love all those cut aparts that you get, you know, in this paper. And then here's this one. And sometimes I believed as many as 6 impossible things before breakfast. Okay, and there we go. And so then this closes up. And then it just fits right here. And there you go. You have your project. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy, Crying with a Heart.